I'm a disabled veteran. I have lots of injuries and wounds, but my disability is for PTSD. I was studying to be a teacher, which at the time was my dream, but I felt I had an obligation to serve our country. I enlisted shortly after 9/11, 2003 to 2004. I was the second and third and fourth wave into Afghanistan. I didn't realize at the time the level of my PTSD, and it lives with you forever. I called up A.Fagundes Plumbing. I had a problem with my boiler where the heat manifold broke. It kind of sounded like a dead cat being strangled. They explained to me that that could be replaced. However, the labor wouldn't be included. So I explained this way I could afford that. I live on a fixed income. I remember he said, listen, we're going to take care of it. And my kids were so excited about that. They were so glad it was going to be fixed. They were very kind, very understanding, prompt, perfectly done work. They were professional, and they were very empathetic to the fact that, I'm a disabled veteran. It's an amazing company. My name is Rhett Adams, and I just like to say, A.Fagundes is a wicked pisser plumber and did an amazing job.